Hi there. In this video, we're going to take a look at the composition of functions. So I have looked at using f of x being the square root of 3 minus 4x and g of x to be negative 5 divided by x. So if in A, we're asked to do GOF, which really means for us to do g of f of x, that's what that notation means. We're going to take g of x and we're going to remove the x from it and leave a space there. So you can see I took the x out of it and I'm just leaving space because I'm going to replace that space with all of f of x, which is the square root of 3 minus 4x. So again, it's a substitution. We're taking all of f of x and we're substituting it in place of x in g of x. Now, the second part is the domain. So we're looking at this expression here and we're saying, okay, what's the domain? Well, there are two rules of domain, and those are that denominators cannot be equal to 0 and that radicals or square roots must be greater than or equal to 0. Well, we have a mixture of both here. We have a square root that's in a denominator. So I know that this square root of 3 minus 4x, it can't be 0 and it better be positive. So it's got to be positive. Now I'm going to solve this equation. How do I get rid of the square root? Well, I square both sides, and that square root go away. They eliminate each other. And 0 squared would be 0. Now let's solve. I can move the 3 over by subtracting 3. That leaves me with negative 4x is greater than negative 3. Now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4, but I remember, and I think you're remembering too, when we divide by a negative number with an inequality, we flip the inequality. So this is my domain that x has to be less than 3/4. I hope this helps with your work for this topic. If you need some other videos or you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Bye for now.